Hello friends, this is AP Bhagwat here from Innovation Chandigarh. All of you know that CLAT 21 stands postponed. So it is time to rethink and restart, re-energize and rejuvenate yourself, and to reorient your preparation and to restart your preparation. You should take this postponement as a blessing in disguise. If you are getting 2-3 extra months for your preparation, you should take it in a positive way. You should take it as a healthy blessing. Even those who are not confident, who are thinking that they are lagging behind, can take it as a blessing in disguise, and they can start from the scratch. But you have to start with a new planning, with a new strategy, and you have to work hard and you have to work smart. Hard work and smart work, but to work more vigorously, more aggressively, and more strategically. Today, we will discuss about the legal aptitude section. As all of you know that legal aptitude is one of the most important and most scoring segment in all the law entrances, be it CLAT, SLAT, BLAT, ALET, PU, DU, IPU, Maharashtra CET, AIL Mohali, or other law entrances. All of you know that. Legal aptitude is one of the most important and one of the most scoring segment if handled carefully and strategically. Now, how to handle it carefully and strategically means to make a systematic study from a single good qualitative resource material, which all of you know that LALR is the number one for the last 14 years. It has traveled 14 years history. It has traveled 14 years journey along with the 14 years journey of CLAT from 2008 to 2021. All of you know that it is the number one bestseller. And it has enabled and helped thousands of students to crack various law entrances in the last 14 years. And as all of you know that legal aptitude basically comprises two components, legal awareness and legal reasoning. And this book has provided most comprehensively both the components under two different headings in the book for the last 14 years, dealing with all the topics and subtopics, sections and subsections intensively and extensively and precisely and concisely as possible. Now, only with the exception of CLAT 2020 and 2021, where the pattern had undergone change. The pattern of asking question was changed. And what was that change? That earlier in CLAT from 2008 to 2019 and in all the other law entrances till the date, questions in the form of multiple choice questions are asked, are framed. Even in CLAT 2020, the questions were in the form of multiple choice questions. But the only change was that there were passages exercises and the questions were based on those passage exercises. If you study the CLAT 2020 paper minutely, you will feel and you will realize that that to answer the questions given in the legal section in CLAT 2020 was easier than the earlier ones. In the earlier ones, from 2008 to 2019, you were supposed to learn, retain each and everything verbatim. But in 2020, that is 2020 CLAT, you could make a guess, you could speculate on the basis of passage exercises given in the paper. But still, some students who will be appearing for the first time in CLAT 2021 were a little bit anxious and panicky. So keeping well in view their queries and their feedbacks and their telephonic calls, I have revised this book, and the next new edition, 8th edition of this book, including a detailed legal aptitude question bank providing passages exercises followed by the questions, has been incorporated in the new edition, which is under print and which may be released in June if everything goes well. If the curfew is lifted and the lockdown is unlocked, the book may be available in the market in June 21. As the CLAT stands postponed, then again you will get more than 1 or 2 months to revise it, refresh your concepts, and to make a lot of practice to the passages exercises given in this book. But otherwise, if I dwell on details in this book, the book broadly divided into 2 units. Unit 1 deals with the legal awareness, Unit 2 deals with the legal reasoning. Legal awareness provided under Unit 1 gives you a detailed understanding and detailed introduction about the legal terms, legal maxims, and most extensive coverage of the constitutional law. Having gone through these chapters, you will find a chapter in the form of summary of legal awareness, so as to facilitate the students to refresh the legal awareness concepts and facts easily, and to further facilitate them to make the last moment revision. As a last moment reminder, I have provided a chapter named Legal Awareness Quick Facts, followed by 25 practice sets with answers key, so as to enable the students to check the level of understanding and retention and to revise it till they reach the perfection. Similarly, in the Unit 2, legal reasoning starts with a summary, summing up the entire legal reasoning section, be it civil law, criminal law, law of torts, or other general understanding, general concepts of legal reasoning have been provided in that chapter. Then followed by detailed chapters on civil law, criminal law, law of torts. Both the sections provide the questions asked in the previous year papers in CLAT, SLAT, ALET, PU, DU from 2008 to 2019, provided in 2 different chapters under 2 different units. And as far as the new edition is concerned, 1 more unit named Legal Aptitude Question Bank, Passages Exercise, based on CLAT 2020 and 2021 pattern with answers key, so as to help the students, enable the students, and to facilitate them and to make them comfortable, panic free and anxiety free. So if everything goes well, by the grace of God, you will be able to procure the next 8th revised, revamped and updated edition on the basis of CLAT 2021 pattern by the mid-June or by the end June. Now, section from CLAT 2020 onwards, it constitutes 25%. And 25% weightage has been given to the English section. I had a number of queries pending with me, number of telephonic calls, feedback from a number of students and their parents about the English section. Because they had one common query, one common concern, that students are needed to consult more than one book for English section. For vocabulary, a separate book. For grammar, another book. For comprehension and practice, another book. So, from their point of view, and to address their concern, and to address their problem, I have already brought out a book, English Wizard, brought out by GKP, which is a sister concern of CL Media Limited, which needs no introduction, which is one of the biggest organization in the competitive field. And this book will solve all your problems. The vocabulary, the grammar, the comprehension, and especially the passages exercises. Number of passages exercises have been provided with the answers key. So having gone through LALR and English Wizard, 50% job of CLAT and other law entrances is done. You are free with 50% job. Now remaining 3 components, 20% is GK, 20 reasoning and 10% maths. I would suggest to you that you should be master of 3 sections. Either legal English GK or legal English reasoning, and jack of 2 segments. Out of 5 segments, nobody can be master of 5 segments. There may be few exceptions, maybe few geniuses. But I am not talking about those geniuses. I am talking about the majority of the students who cannot be master of all the 5 segments in equal measure. So you have to identify 3 of your strong areas, 2 of your gray areas, and you have to master the 3 and jack of 2. You can't afford to be jack of all the 5, and you can't be master of all the 5. So you just have to identify the areas on which you can be the master and of which you can be the jack. Be the jack of 3 segments and master of 3 segments and jack of 2 segments. Nothing and nobody can stop you to hit the jackpot or to crack any good law entrance examination. In addition to it, you must keep few things always in mind, that you don't need to be careless in the wake of postponement of the examinations. You can't afford to be careless. Don't be complacent. Do you know what is complacent? Complacent means when you develop a tendency, मुझे तो सब आता है, मैंने तो सब कर लिया, अब कितनी बार करूं यार, बहुत कर लिया यार. नो, आपने बहुत कर लिया, आपको बहुत कुछ आता है, but you don't know about the others, the other competitors who are going to compete with you, who are going to give a competition to you. There are around 80,000 applicants till the last date of 15th May for CLAT, which may swell to 1 lakh. And rest assured, out of 1 lakh or 80,000, 50% are damn sure. 50% students are those students who do their best, give their best, never rest on complacency, never get careless, never get carefree. They are so focused, so determined, so much devoted and committed that they don't leave any stone unturned. They make their best, they do their best, they give their best. So you have to compete with such candidates. In order to compete with such candidates, you can't afford to be complacent, careless. You can't develop a tendency कि मुझे बहुत आता है, मैंने बहुत कर लिया, मुझे कोई जरूरत नहीं है. I am pretty sure. Don't develop such complacency. Don't overestimate yourself. Don't underestimate the others. So, make a planning, make a strategy. As you must have heard about a famous quote from the business tycoon, global business tycoon Warren Buffett, who says that an idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. An idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. आपने वो बात सुनी है ना, कछुआ खरगोश की रेस वाली, कि खरगोश सोचता मैं तो बहुत तेज भागता हूँ, मुझसे तेज थोड़ी कछुआ भाग सकता है, लेकिन कछुआ उससे आगे निकल जाता है. So this is the time when many कछुआस will supersede the खरगोश. बहुत सारे कछुए या बहुत सारे खरगोश जो दूसरों को कछुआ मानते हैं वो पीछे रह जाएंगे और बहुत सारे कछुए आगे निकल जाएंगे. माइंड, ये मेरी बात ध्यान में रखना, दिमाग में बिठा लेना, जहन में बिठा लेना. दिस इज नॉट द टाइम टू बी केयरलेस, not the time to be complacent. Don't rest on your complacency. Don't rest on your carelessness. It may be suicidal. It may be disastrous. It may be catastrophic. But don't be panic either. Don't be anxious either. Keep your mind cool, calm, composed. Have a plan, have a strategy, follow it religiously, follow it systematically. So planning and focus and practice. Practice always makes a man perfect. Keep practicing. Keep practicing from wherever you can, howsoever you can. Online, offline, books, notes, resource material. But first of all, try to stick to one single source for every subject. When you are pretty confident, you are quite sure that you have cleared all the concepts, you have mastered all the concepts, you know all the concepts, you need to practice more and more. Then you can consult the other resources as well. Don't let your focus flicker. Don't let your mind eclipsed. Don't let your mind waver. Today's time is the time of hard work and smart work. Because in the present times, you don't need to know what to read. You need to know what not to read. You don't need to know from where to read, from where not to read. You don't need to know with whom to study, with whom not to study. Instead of falling in bad hands, in poor hands, incompetent hands, wasting your time with the novice, with the beginners, with unprofessional, you make the self-study. Self-study is the best studies. If any of you is interested to study with me for legal, for English, for GK, for current affair, you can start with me as I'm going to start the new batch. In June itself, You can call me, you can contact me on my number 8847482938. In the meantime, you go through these two books, LALR and English Wizard. And if you already have LALR, then wait for the next edition, which may be available by mid-June or June end if everything goes well by the grace of God. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.